How to find and join random Instagram groups. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can find and join random Instagram groups. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your Instagram. Locate the app and then open it up. Make sure that the app that you have is up to date to its latest version. After you're here, tap on your message icon on the top right. After you tap on it, you'll need to tap on the search bar on the top right here. After you tap on it, all you have to do is search for a keyword related to your interest, such as if you want a travel group, you can search for travel. And after you search for that, if you scroll down, you'll find the channels section. All you have to do is tap on the channel option and simply join it. Tap on the join button and you'll join the channel. And that's basically how you can find and join random Instagram groups. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.